So here we have the Power Weld XTM 160i MIG welding machine. It's an inverter-based MIG welder, so very lightweight. It will take a 5 kilo spool and it runs off 230 volts input voltage. If you buy the machine, machine only, you obviously get the machine along with the gas hose and clamps and a work return lead. If you buy the machine as a package with the Power Weld torch, then in addition to that, with a Power Weld Eco Grip 15 MIG torch. Very nice compact torch, ball joint on the handle to help maneuverability, a nice compact handle so it's easy to grip in all positions. And the torch comes with a Euro connector, so it's ready to hook up onto the front of the machine. The controls on the front of the machine are protected by this flip-up cover, so you can just flip that up and adjust the controls once that's out of the way. So at the rear of the machine we've got the mains input cable, the gas supply connection, and then the on-off switch. So the front panel controls, we've got adjustment for the welding voltage, adjustment for the wire speed, which obviously increases, decreases the amperage also, and then adjustment for the inductance. Up on the side here we've got 2T or 4T trigger operation, so that's latching or momentary trigger, and then dual digital displays currently indicating the voltage and the wire speed. When you actually start welding, this display here will flick over to an amperage display. Because this machine is an inverter based, you've got the advantage that your voltage control is infinite, unlike a transformer based machine where you have to go through predefined steps. So you can really fine tune the machine, and also the variable inductance helps you just fine tune the arc to get the best results. Lower on the front panel, you've got the work return lead connection and the Euro socket for the torch. So we've got the mounting for the 5 kilo wire spool, a nice aluminium single roll wire feed box with tension adjustment, a burn back control to adjust the amount of burn back on the wire, and then over here a reversible polarity. The reversible polarity allows you to weld with gas or without gas, depending whether you're using the gasless flux cord wire or not. So if you're going out on site where you don't have access to gas, you can reverse the polarity and put gasless wire inside the machine. So we're just going to show you how to connect the torch on the front of the machine. Torch with a Euro connector, locate it on the liner stem, push it in place, and then tighten up the hand nut, make sure it's secure, and likewise the work return lead, just insert and twist to lock, and it's ready to weld. Okay, so now we're going to do a welding demonstration. So switch on the machine. We've already installed the wire, 0.8 millimeter mild steel wire, and just adjusted the wire tension so you can just about stop the wire feeding. We've connected the torch to the front, so we'll just feed the wire through the torch now. So it's out the front there, and then we can fit the contact tip back in place. Snip that up. And the nozzle. Then we just want to trim the wire. So we've got about 10 millimeter protrusion from the end. And now we can switch to the welding. So just to adjust the parameters, the voltage, we'll go about 16.2, and increase the wire speed to about 8.3 meters a minute there. Okay.